This quarantine thing is going on for ages, man. I'm afraid I'll lose some of my mass and muscle. And you've got to stay healthy somehow. So yeah, I've been using apps on my iPhone to get my workout plans and exercises and whatnot. But it's too tiny for me to actually look into because I'm really far away. But I do have a giant TV that I can use. So I thought I'd use the streaming devices that I've got to put up an app over there and then just start working out without having to think about each exercise and looking into my phone and whatnot. So if you're new here, I'm Vamsi, and here are some of the best workout apps that you can find on most of the streaming devices. So let's start with Apple TV. Streaks Workout is a simple app that lets you, work out when you don't have any gym equipment at home. All you need is a few minutes every day and floor. I mean, that's obvious. The app consists of a bunch of tutorials on, calisthenic exercises like push-ups, leg lifts, knee pull-ins, crunches, and much more. You can even set a custom, everyday plan and then complete them 10 by 10. The price is about $3.99, and if you don't want to spend any money and want a low commitment cardio workout, then check out the 7-minute workout on the App Store. If you are more of a yoga person than say calisthenics, then this app is just the thing for you. Yoga Studios comes with more than 180 plus different yoga classes. Just click on the positions that you want to do and then click on the play button. Apart from the basic poses such as Shavasana and Surya Namaskar, etc., there are customized collections of different yoga positions that will help you focus on a specific part of your body. Moving on to workout apps that are optimized for your Android TV, I found this great app for fitness called Gym. It provides you clear instructions in the video, like most fitness apps. It also has various workout plans like, belly fat burner, calorie killer, cardio, core workouts, and etc. If you start a workout like sweat and burn, it shows you a live interactive video with exercise overview. However, if you're someone who prefers to do one body part at a time, like abs, core, or chest, etc. every day, well, there's an option for you as well. And not just that, the app will provide you with meal recipes that you can make on a regular diet. You can even create custom profiles to cater to yourself. Next up, we've got Daily Workouts, which is free and is great for a 5 to 30 minute daily workout routine for both men and women. You just have to select which body part you want to exercise, and then the video will teach you different exercises with timers and sets. This app is really good for, beginners and stuff. And finally, if you have a Fire TV stick looking to work out, check out the DailyUp fitness app. When you open the app, you'll see a bunch of high definition fitness training videos, so simply select the video that you want and click on download. When the video is downloaded, you can easily start by a step-by-step exercise. This app is suitable for all from beginners to experts. It also includes special workouts for women, which is pretty awesome. Well, the previous app is good for most people. If you're looking to search, what type of exercise that you want, like, abs or muscles and much more, then Pilates is the app that you want. It's optimized for Fire TV stick and shows a bunch of exercise plans to choose from. You can also choose from the intensity of workouts from basic, medium, and hard. So you just follow the instructions on the big screen, which is pretty cool. So yeah, those were some of the best workout apps that you can find on your streaming device. While you're at it, check out smartdnsproxy.com if you're keen to unblock, say, geo-restricted content because you're just sitting at home and you're stuck at home. But if you want to watch Netflix US and you're in the Australia or New Zealand, UK, anywhere else, you can unblock them for about $5 a month, and it's a VPN too, so you get to keep your laptop or your home Wi-Fi network really secure. As always, I'm Vamsi, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.